Welcome to the land of smiles, where golden temples meet azure beaches and bustling cities coexist with tranquil villages. Enveloped by a warm and sunny climate, Thailand is a place that has something for everyone. From the cultural richness of its capital city, Bangkok, adorned with ornate shrines and vibrant street life, to the lush green landscapes of rural provinces, this country is a melting pot of enchanting diversity. It is a land where you can witness the serene orange sunsets over the crystal-clear Andaman Sea, or participate in the merrymaking in the lively beach parties of Pattaya. This Southeast Asian country is also a true culinary paradise, offering a delightful array of flavors that can send your taste buds on an unforgettable voyage of discovery. From the world-renowned Thai green curry to the sticky mango sticky rice, every dish is a testament to Thailand's rich gastronomic heritage. Thailand's majestic temples and palaces, drenched in centuries-old history, are awe-inspiring sights to behold. The grandeur of Wat Arun, the elegance of the Grand Palace, the mystery of the ancient city of Ayutthaya, every monument, every stone has a story to tell. Walk along the historic routes of Sukhothai, witness the marvel of the White Temple in Chiang Mai, or explore the hidden beauty of the long-necked Karen villages in Mae Hong Son. The possibilities are endless. Immerse yourself in the vibrant festivals of Thailand that showcase its rich cultural fabric. The Water Fight Festival of Songkran celebrating Thai New Year, the lantern-filled skies during Yi Pung, or the colorful longboat races during the annual River Festival. Each event unique charm to the country's already vibrant cultural canvas. And if you are a nature enthusiast, Thailand does not disappoint. From the lush rainforests of Khao Yai National Park providing a refuge for diverse wildlife to the breathtaking underwater world of the Similan Islands, Thailand's natural wonders are as diverse as they are beautiful. Thailand, a diverse and beautiful country, brims with culture, history, and natural wonders, each more enchanting than the last. Join us as we explore the top 15 destinations in this Southeast Asian paradise. Our journey begins in Bangkok, Thailand's bustling capital. This is a city where the past and the present harmoniously interweave, creating a rich tapestry of experiences that are deeply rooted in tradition and yet unabashedly modern. One can't help but marvel at the city's ability to preserve its historic charm amidst rapid urbanization. As we make our way through the energetic arterial lanes, we stumble upon the majestic Grand Palace. The structure itself is an embodiment of architectural brilliance, with its dazzling facades and intricate carvings. Expansive in both its physical and historical significance, the palace stands tall as a symbol of the royal dynasty's opulence and power. Each corner of the palace has a story to tell, a story that delves deep into Thailand's regal past. Venturing just a little further, we find ourselves in the presence of Wat Arun, the Temple of Dawn. With its spires piercing the clear blue sky, the temple represents the spiritual aspiration of the Thai people. It's a visual treat to witness the temple as the sun descends, the golden rays casting an ethereal glow on the temple's facade. The view of the temple bathed in the evening sun is nothing short of breathtaking, a spectacle that etches itself into the memory of every viewer. Yet the city's appeal isn't confined to its historical landmarks. Stepping into the bustling streets of Bangkok, one is immediately greeted by the tantalizing aroma of the city's street food, from the fiery pad Thai noodles, expertly tossed in a wok, to the sweet, comforting taste of mango sticky rice. Each dish is an adventure in itself. The food here isn't just about the taste, it's a sensory experience that encapsulates the city's exuberant spirit. Bangkok's charm lies in its ability to offer a myriad experiences that cater to diverse preferences. Whether you are a history enthusiast exploring the city's historical landmarks, a foodie indulging in its diverse culinary offerings, or a shopping addict lost in the bustling markets, the city never ceases to surprise and delight. Bangkok, a city where tradition and modernity intertwine, creating a tapestry of experiences that are both unique and unforgettable. From its glittering temples to its lively markets, Bangkok truly has something for everyone. Next, we head north to Chiang Mai, the cultural heart of Thailand. The city is situated in the mountainous region of northern Thailand, where the Ping River flows peacefully, flanked by lush green hills that stand like silent sentinels guarding the city's splendor. Chiang Mai, the former seat of the Lana Kingdom, is a city that resonates with a rich, vibrant history dating back to the 13th century. Its roots are deeply imbibed in the tranquility of Buddhist culture. the echoes of which can still be heard in the rhythmic chants that emanate from its centuries-old temples. The city's soul exists not just in its history, but in the enduring spirit of its people, who have preserved their culture with fierce pride and continue to practice their traditional crafts with unmatched dedication. Chiang Mai is a city whose stories are whispered through its stunning temples and sacred spaces. Over 300 temples dot its landscape, each one a significant chapter in a grand narrative. Among these, the golden stupa of Wat Phra that Doi Suthep stands out. This majestic temple is perched atop the Doi Suthep mountain, offering breathtaking views of the city. It's a place where spirituality soars as high as the altitude, instilling peace in every heart that makes the journey. Then there is Wat Chedi Luang, the city's historical center, showcasing the intricate Lana architectural style. It's a testament to the architectural prowess of a bygone era, standing tall amidst the city's modern evolution. As the sun sets, Chiang Mai undergoes a transformation. The city turns into a bustling hub of night bazaars, their vibrant colors reflecting off the Ping River. From the Wurat Market's local delicacies to the Sunday street market's handmade crafts, a treasure trove waiting to be discovered at every corner. And let's not overlook the annual Yipeng Lantern Festival. During this festival, thousands of lanterns take to the sky, illuminating the darkness and creating a spectacle of light and hope. It's a magical sight that encapsulates the spirit of Chiang Mai, reinforcing its place as a city where tradition and innovation stand side by side. Chiang Mai, a city where tradition and innovation harmoniously blend. Leaving the mountains behind, we find ourselves in Phuket, Thailand's largest island. As we traverse these lush terrains, prepare yourself for an immersion into a world of distinct beauty and unparalleled charm. Imagine a place where the sun is more than just a distant celestial entity. Here, the sun is a comforting companion, its rays gently warming your skin as you venture along miles of golden sands that appear to be kissed by the gods themselves. The sea is not merely a body of water in Phuket. It is a living entity, with its azure waters gently lapping at shore, its cool touch giving you respite from the tropical heat. The sea here invites you, beckons you to step in and immerse yourself in its invigorating embrace. That's Phuket for you. The beaches of Phuket are a spectacle in themselves, a sight to behold. Each shore, from the ever-bustling Patong Beach to the tranquil Kata Noi, is a different chapter in the book of this tropical paradise. They offer a slice of heaven on earth, a place where your worries seem to dissolve in the warm sand beneath your toes. Phuket doesn't sleep when the sun sets, it merely changes its pace. The island transforms into a vibrant hub of nightlife, with bustling night markets that offer an array of delicacies, and pulsating beach clubs that keep the rhythm of the night alive. The streets are filled with lively bars, their music and laughter spilling into the night air, creating a symphony of nocturnal revelry. But Phuket is not just a haven for relaxation, it's also a playground for the adventurous. The island teems with water activities that will get your adrenaline pumping. Dive into the depths of the ocean for an unforgettable snorkeling experience. Explore the vast expanse of the sea by diving or take a leisurely sail around the island. The highlight of the island's landscape is undoubtedly the Big Buddha. Standing tall and serene, this iconic figure over the island from atop Knockered Hill, its benevolent gaze spreading peace and tranquility. Phuket, a tropical paradise that effortlessly combines relaxation and excitement. Our journey concludes in the underrated gem of Chiang Mai, a provincial city that paints a vivid, almost tangible portrait of Thailand's rich and intricate tapestry of art, culture, and history. This northernmost city in Thailand, Chiang Mai serves as a gateway to the mountainous regions of the Golden Triangle, where Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar meet. Nestled in the heart of Thailand's mountainous north, Chiang Mai is a bustling blend of old and new, where traditional wooden houses rub shoulders with contemporary architecture. But it's the city's extraordinary artistic soul that truly sets it apart. It is a city that treasures its past while simultaneously looking forward to the future, a quality that is reflected in its awe-inspiring attractions. Among these attractions, the White Temple, known locally as Wat Rung Kun, stands apart. This contemporary, unconventional art exhibit, masquerading in the style of a Buddhist temple, is an absolute must-see. Its pure white structure, meticulously adorned with fragments of shimmering mirrored glass, is a sight that leaves visitors spellbound, gazing in awe at its ethereal beauty. The temple's intricate design tells a story of the intricate balance of good and evil, life and death, creation and destruction, a mesmerizing spectacle that redefines the traditional concept of a temple. Next on the list is the Blue Temple, or Wat Rong Suayaten, which offers a striking contrast with its vibrant blue interiors and meticulously intricate carvings. The temple is an architectural splendor, with its extensive carvings depicting various mythical creatures and Buddhas. Brilliant blues, deep indigos, and dazzling golds combine to create a visual feast that is a testament to the city's artistic flair, effortless innovation, and deep-rooted cultural significance. Finally, we come to the Golden Triangle, the enigmatic point where Thailand, Laos, and Myanmar converge. It is a place steeped in a rich and complex history. The narratives of three nations intertwine. Here, the mighty Mekong River meets the Ruak River, forming a natural boundary between the three countries. It's a place that whispers tales of opium trade, ancient kingdoms, and cultural intermingling, offering a fascinating glimpse into the region's complex past. Chiang Mai, a city that stands as a testament to Thailand's boundless creativity, its cultural depth, and its insatiable thirst for innovation and progress. From the vibrant streets of Bangkok to the serene beaches of Phuket, from the cultural hub of Chiang Mai to the underrated gem of Chiang Rai, our expedition through the diverse landscapes of Thailand has been truly memorable. We set out on this journey with an open heart and a thirst for exploration, ready to absorb all the beauty and culture that this fascinating country has to offer. The bustling metropolis of Bangkok was a sensory overload, with its towering skyscrapers and energetic street markets, where the scent of exotic spices filled the air. Roaming the streets, we marveled at the city's dynamic fusion of modernity and tradition. It was a place that never slept, always alive with the vibrant energy of people going about their daily lives. Moving south, we reached Phuket, a true tropical paradise. Here, the soft white sands of the beaches seemed to stretch on for infinity, blending seamlessly into the azure waters. We had the chance to soak in the tranquility, rejuvenate our senses, and witness awe-inspiring sunsets that painted the sky in hues of pink and orange. The journey continued towards the north, to the cultural capital of Chiang Mai. This city offered a stark contrast to the bustle of Bangkok. Here, we delved into the rich history and traditions of Thailand, back to the ancient Lana Kingdom. The city's numerous temples, each with its unique history and architectural style, were a testament to Thailand's cultural heritage. Next, we ventured into the less frequented city of Chiang Rai. This hidden charm of Thailand revealed another facet of the country, with its distinctive art and architecture and tranquil rural landscapes. We savored the slower pace of life here, appreciating the town's peaceful ambiance. Throughout our journey, we've tasted the delightful street food, each dish a revelation of flavors. We've marveled at the architectural wonders that tell tales of times gone by, and reveled in the country's rich, diverse culture. We've encountered friendly locals, learned about their customs, and witnessed their way of life. All these experiences made us realize that Thailand is not just a destination, but an emotion. It's a place that invites you to yourself, to explore, and to discover. Whether you're an adventurer seeking thrill in the wild, a foodie craving exotic flavors, or a history buff ready to delve into ancient worlds, Thailand beckons with something for everyone. So pack your bags and prepare to immerse yourself in the beauty, culture, and warmth of Thailand. Until next time, happy travels. Happy.